Gates open, they're up and racing Valiente as expected draws for your lead. Moving up to take second, Dr. Jude. Then comes Speedy Kim, Senor Elijah. There goes number 6, Atoy for Sabor de Champagne and Naglalabyog. Is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Valiente in command by about 3 lengths. Running now in second is Dr. Jude. There was a spill. 80 Jing on Sabor de Champagne, left unseated as they turn for home. Valiente this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Speedy Kim. Running by the rail, Dr. Jude, and Dory outside, Senor Elijah, Atoy Poras, and Naglalabyog. With the last 150 more to run, Valiente leading the field is Speedy Kim. Moving a party outside, Atoy Poras, Senor Elijah, and Naglalabyog. With the last whip, it's going to be Valiente. Then comes Speedy Kim close between Atoy Poras, Naglalabyog, and number 5, Senor Elijah.